So pretty much every Squarebody Chevy truck on the planet has the exact same rust spot. So if you have a Squarebody and your truck is rusty right there, we're going to show you the steps that we take to fix that. So we'll follow along with Kyle. Kyle's favorite thing to do in the entire world is rust repair. He would rather do rust repair than build roll cages or hang out with his wife. Either one. Rust repair is his favorite. So we'll get this dialed in and show you guys how to fix your rusty Squarebody. Well, the first step is to kind of take a look at your new part, make sure that you're not going to cut stuff off that isn't included on the new part, because that's a bad day. After that, you'll kind of mark off where you want to make your cuts and put your seams, and then cut around it and peel off the old rusty junk. So once you got the big little part cut out, then we'll kind of come in here and do a bunch of trimming and get it cut and get the new piece cut so that the pieces fit nicely together. That's what Kyle's going to work on now, so we'll show you a little bit of that and then show you how it fits before we get it welded together.
I don't want to be a part of this. We'll do a little rust repair and basically the floorboard area, and then we're going to do the section of the inner rocker, and then we'll put a whole rocker on. Trying to get fit the B pillar up to the rocker panel, and then we basically trimmed it up so we can do a butt weld here around that area, and then back in the B pillar area doing basically the same thing. It's quite rusty over here, so we tried to remove all the rust we could remove and then try to patch in this rocker panel into the good metal that we had left. So right now I'm just trying to get it spliced in to where the butt welded areas could actually come together quite smoothly without a lot of gap. And then once we have it where we believe we're good, we'll go ahead and punch a bunch of plug weld holes into the rocker panel and then we'll install it. Alright, so right now we got everything, plug welds are all drilled out and we're fitting up, and then we're going to start tacking and welding the part in, and then we'll get it ground down and kind of metal finished up so they can take it to the body work.
So here you have some nice new metal in there. It's all butt welded in the seams, so it'll be nice and smooth when it's all said and done. Just a little bit of filler work and some primer, and then paint it up. And then it's got a nice solid rocker. All the structure's been replaced and all nice good metal. So once it gets all re-seam sealed and painted, it'll be just like it was when it was brand new. If you guys need any rust repair, you know where to find us. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe.